welcome to my channel. So I had a subscriber ask me how do I lay the wig and everything. I ain't gonna say slay, honey, that's too much pressure, because if y'all don't think it's slay, then but yeah, thank you for asking that question, and here's a video on how I lay this wig, specifically this orange wig. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on my other social media platforms. Yeah. Let's get into the video. So what I'm starting off with is the Got To Be Glued, the spray. I don't really use the gel. I actually forgot the gel at home. I'm not at home, so I'm just going to use the spray. But I actually like the spray a lot better than the gel. So as you can see, I use a black stocking cap. I'll talk to y'all while this is drying. So I put the first layer on her. I let it dry. But so I use a black stocking cap. I just feel like the nude ones don't they don't blend as well with your skin, because you can see the difference between the cap and then your skin, or like the front. So I use a black one. And I'm just rubbing this in just to make sure it's like all in the front and not just spots in the front when I sprayed it. Okay, so I sprayed a second layer. I did the same thing I did the first time, putting it around. But let me talk to y'all about what I do with my LACE. So as y'all can see, you see how it's like a lighter nude color, and then you see like splotches of brown. I use this Sally Hansen leg spray tan. I have it in Tan Glow. And basically what I do is, so I've done this already. I will only do it once, not unless you wash the wig. When you wash it, this stuff should come out. But basically, I flipped it inside out, as y'all can see. And I literally just went through and just sprayed this on all of the lace. I didn't really spray too much on the edges. I probably maybe sprayed a little bit, but go very light and be at a distance. So if I was to spray this, I'd probably spray it like about right here. I'll try to make another video on showing y'all how to use this, but I'm just letting y'all know what I do. So this is to tint the lace, basically, so that it's more natural looking for your wig. So this is still drying. And the third time when I put this spray on here, that's when I'm going to attach it. I'm also going to use a blow dryer when I use it like when I spray, not this, but when I spray the glue, the spray, I'm going to use the blow dryer. Oh, and I've done my makeup already. I thought about doing it in this video, but I was like, I'm really not specializing in makeup. I do have a video that was like another get ready with me for back to school. So if you want to see what I only use makeup for blemishes, but I do feel like with a wig you have to wear makeup. Your skin must be perfect if you don't wear makeup, but for me, I know I have a lot of blemishes like on my cheeks, so I have to wear makeup. Okay, so here's the fun part. Third time, same. I'm like OD, like my wig is going to attach to my head. Ain't no other questions. Like, oh, and to remove this, just make sure you spray it with water. So at the end of the day, when you're trying to take off your wig, just spray it down with water, the edges, it comes right off. Yeah, and I'm gonna talk to y'all about this wig also. Like, I've worn it about 3 times. And I gotta give y'all tea. Okay, so I'm just lining up my middle part to the middle of my forehead. And make sure that the lace is like flat. And now I'm gonna grab a blow dryer. And basically you just blow dry wherever you're holding it at. I'm gonna like mute this so y'all don't hear that blow dryer. And then you'll pull it to that side, blow dry it right there, and then just keep on pulling it, blow drying it, and that'll make it tacky. Like, it's already, like, you can see it's kind of already laying down. Hopefully y'all can see that. So as y'all can see, this is the lace like attached. It melts pretty well. but I've used it a few times, so the makeup is already kind of blended in on the lace. And it's still pieces like hanging up or anything that's not like attached. Just go back and spray. Like down here, it's still coming up a little bit. As y'all see, I'm able to just kind of brush it, and it softens the hair back up. At the end of the day, you're going to end up gelling this back down, so it don't really matter in my opinion. But water also like softens it up. Like y'all see. For the most part though, I like the wig. I've gotten so many compliments on this wig. Hopefully I can, if you ain't baby hair gang, then this probably is over for you for the video. But I'll show you basically how I lay some hair down. I did cut baby hairs, but I always seem to lose them damn things. So I've got the toothbrush and I actually just put water on it because I already had that spray from previous days. So I just added water to the toothbrush. And this is just to soften up the hairs again. Oops. I'm literally just pulling some hairs like from the front. Like I just like separate and then pull some hairs to the front, and those are the ones like I use. Okay, and so for the last part, if you're somebody who's trying to wear your hair pulled back, for the most part the lace looks pretty good. Spray your fingers again, let them get a little tacky. And then from there, you just this is what's going to cover up your lace and make the hair look like it's coming from your scalp. And I'm just going in a circular motion. And then like when you brush it, so hopefully I can see like the difference. Oh, honey. Okay. And so I'm going to take my foundation brush. So I did my makeup like I told y'all already. And you'll see like it's kind of brown, like a light brown. That's from the water and the glue and everything. So I would just take my brush and just go right back over it to make it blend. And also that's with the scalp too and the lace up here. If you feel like it's still lighter, I wouldn't put any more makeup on it. I would just tap it with the makeup that was left on the brush. And this will help it blend also. Look, I don't have it brushed out, but you know what I'm talking about when you just flip it over and make it look real natural. I don't think I'm going to wear that today, though. So, yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope that this was helpful. And let me know if it's any more suggestions for YouTube videos that you all have or want to see. Thank you for watching.